The number of Ohio residents living in poverty was trending down before the pandemic, but advocates say there's more work to be done to pull ahead of the national rate. This year's State of Poverty in Ohio report from the Ohio Association of Community Action Agencies displays the tangible effects the pandemic had on Ohioans statewide. It showed that episodic poverty should have more attention. According to past research, 35% of Ohio households don't have enough liquid assets to safely live at the poverty level for 3 months if they were to lose their income. Philip Cole of the Ohio Association of Community Action Agencies says the COVID ripple effects such as unemployment have hit many residents hard.
They lose a job, they fall victim of a recession, they get high medical expenses. And that has shown us, again, this great inequality between lower income and higher income families. And we're seeing, if we want to admit it or not, this rapidly increasing two-class society. And we need to really work on that.
The report also looked at how access to health care, including Medicaid expansion, is key to improving public health outcomes for Ohio residents. 39% of Ohio households making less than $50,000 per year said they delayed medical care because of the pandemic. Ohio's Medicaid expansion was reported to have saved more than 1,400 lives between 2014 and 2017. With this report, the association rolled out a new well-being dashboard, which documents a county-by-county breakdown of poverty in the state that looked at factors such as unemployment and four-year graduation rates. Some of the lowest-ranking counties in the state include Ashtabula County, which borders Pennsylvania and Canada, and rural Noble County in the southeast portion of the state. Cole says looking at how these socioeconomic factors play out in disadvantaged counties could be helpful in guiding policy changes.
If your four-year high school graduation rate is on par with the rest of the state, say, but your unemployment rate is really high, you know those kids are probably going to be leaving the county in order to find a job. So we've got to come up with ways to try and create more opportunities.
Cole says some ways to alleviate poverty and spur economic growth include relieving student debt and making certification programs such as cosmetology more affordable and accessible. I'm Emily Scott with Ohio News Connection at publicnewsservice.org.